In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 4-stage funnel diagram in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing for a business presentation or just exploring the features of PowerPoint, this straightforward process will guide you through creating a clean and effective funnel diagram that can help encapsulate data in a visually appealing way. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't got the program open already, now is the time to locate it either on your desktop or from the Start menu. Once open, you'll also want to have your PowerPoint presentation ready, so if it's not already loaded, go ahead and open it up. With your presentation open, look towards the top menu and find the Insert tab. This tab is your gateway to all the elements you can add to your slides, like images, shapes, and more importantly for this tutorial, charts. Click on Insert to access these options. Once you're in the Insert tab, look for the Chart option. Charts are a powerful tool for data visualization and can greatly enhance the communicative effectiveness of your slides. Click on Chart to bring up the Chart dialog box. In the Chart dialog box, you'll see a variety of chart types on the left. For this tutorial, navigate to the Funnel tab. Funnel diagrams are particularly useful when you want to represent a process that narrows as it progresses, which can be especially useful in sales or marketing presentations. Now that you're in the Funnel tab, it's time to select the funnel chart that best suits your needs. For this process, simply click on the funnel chart to highlight your selection. This predefined chart will give you a great starting point, which we will customize in just a moment. With your choice made, go ahead and click OK. This will insert the default funnel chart into your slide. Once it's inserted, don't be alarmed by the number of stages it initially has. We're going to adjust that next. The chart will often come with more stages than you need, but modifying it is simple. In order to craft a 4-stage diagram specifically, you will need to delete the last row of the chart data. To do this, right-click on the chart and navigate to Edit Data. This will open a simple spreadsheet-like interface. Look for the row that contains data for the last stage, click on it to select, and then delete it. This action will automatically adjust your funnel to the desired number of stages. There you have it. You now know how to create a 4-stage funnel diagram in PowerPoint. This diagram can now be a dynamic part of your presentation, bringing clarity and visual interest to your audience. By following these steps, you've not only added a visual component to your slide, but have gained a versatile tool in your presentation arsenal. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.